5 reasons why I bought a Commodore 64. Number 1. How it all started. I was watching a video on the arcade of Donkey Kong, and then there was this video on the next side of it saying the Commodore 64, and I thought it sounded interesting and looked interesting, so I watched the video, and that video was by the 8-bit guy. Number 2. So I decided to ask my mum about the C64 and that I really wanted one, and she said that she had one when she was a little kid. I then asked my dad, and he said that he also had a C64 when he was a little kid as well. Number 3. I did some research on the Commodore 64, and I was amazed to see that between 18 and 22 million C64s were sold worldwide. That is one of the reasons why I got a C64. I also thought it would be a great computer because of that. Number 4. The 3 games that I like on my C64 are Bruce Lee, Pole Position, and finally Zaxxon by Sega. I really like these 3 games. These arcade games on the C64 were cassette games, not floppy disk games. One of the new games I recommend on the Commodore 64 is Super Mario Bros. Number 5. Finally, the last reason is because I really like the shape of the bread bin model, and I really thought it looked nice, so I got the bread bin model. Finally, in the end, I convinced my mum to let me get a C64, but the annoying bit was, when I got it, it had the black screen of death. So finally, we returned it to the seller, and then we bought a new 64, and when I got it, finally I had a working Commodore 64. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Leave a comment down below to say, did you have a C64 when you were a kid? And what was your favourite game on the console at the time?